Guys, I've been facing an issue with parameterized report. Today I would like to solve that. What issue I was facing and how I faced it, I'll let you know. So this is my report. I just created a report with a design. Okay. Initially what I did is I started by creating a DP and also a temporary table which has all these fields. Okay. After creating a temporary table and I created a DP, and now I went to the report and started testing my design. Now after the, everything is working fine. Then after creating the report, I added a contract so that the user will give the account number or whatever the input he has to give. I created a contract class and attached this contract class to the DP. After doing everything and after passing, after inserting the values I wanted to the temporary table, and I went to the design and then debugging it. No matter what I do, it is not giving any data. Later, I figured out there could be this issue. Now I will solve that. I haven't tested that out, but I'm thinking that this could be the issue. So what I did is after adding the parameter attribute here, after creating the class and then adding the parameter here, I went to the report and then refreshed the datasets and everything. Okay, but if I open the parameters, the newly added parameter, which is in the contract class, this one, account number, is not being shown in the report. Understand what I'm saying? It is not being shown in the report parameters. I'm suspecting that could be the issue. So for that, what I would do is I will delete in the dataset also. In the dataset also, if you see properties, we are referring to that temp table and the DP. The DP is now updated with the contract, which would act as a parameter. But since I haven't updated it here, I'm suspecting this could be the issue. What I'll do is I'll delete this dataset, also the report. I'm just giving it a build so that there won't be any errors. Now let me add it again. The build is successful. Let me add it again. New dataset. Here in the dataset, go to the properties, and the data source type is data provider, and the query here is you have to select the report DP and next, and I'll just select all the fields here. Now you see dataset 1 dot customer account number. This is the parameter I've added to the contract. Now it is updated, and now I think there won't be any issue. To make sure, I'll just add the design and then we'll see whether the data is being populated or not. So insert table, just a single table, and go to the datasets and then drag these fields here. Cast group, then currency. Just let's add few more columns here. Currency and credit rating and the maximum credit limit you can get. Just for the sake of testing, I'm not giving any other page header or footer. Okay, I'm just building it. And we have to deploy this report. As we have updated the design entirely, we have to update the report. Now report is being deployed. And I have wrote a select query to see the data here, so that I would pass in these values, these account numbers, so that I can see this data. Okay, let us check whether deployment is completed. Yeah, deployment is completed. Now let's go to the front end and refresh this. I think the connection would be servered, so we just need to refresh this. Now, perfect. Now go to the recents and then click on normal report. And let us see if the data appears or not. Yeah, now you could see the data is perfectly being populated. Let's go back and give another account number. Now, by the way, this normal report is here, accounts payable, and here I've added it. Since I ran it before, it came to recents. So just click on normal report. Now I would change the account number, then click on OK. Now it should retrieve the data related to the value that is being provided. We can cross verify those. So this is the data. Okay, net 10, and the cash discount, we haven't seen this, but the credit max is this. Let's see other value here. US 003. Go back and again go to the recents, normal report, US 003. Okay, yeah, perfect. This is the issue I faced, and this is how I resolved. Thanks for watching.